Basically, the not is just the opposite of this side. So not A, the opposite of 1 would be 0. Do that again for the same side. The opposite of 1 is 0. Since I have this as 0, opposite of that would be 1. 0, opposite of that would be 1. Vice versa with B over here, since it's a not. That would be the opposite. So since that's 1, that's going to be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, now we have the AND function right here. And the only way for this value to be considered true is when both A and B are considered true, or they both have 1s. Since for this first slot right here, since they both are considered true, that makes this one true. Now, since the A one for the second slot has a 1 or true, but B is considered false, then that's false. Same thing here. That's false on this side, but that's true for this side. That makes that false. False on both sides, that's automatically false. Now, this plus sign right here would represent the OR function. Now, for waiting for this to be considered true is when there's at least one value that has a true value. So since both of these are true, we can add that as 1. Since we have a true value for this one, but not for B, that's okay, because that's considered true. Vice versa, since there's no true value for this one, but we have a true value for this one, that's considered 1. Since both of these values are considered false, we will have to make this false as well. Exclusive OR, same premise, except the only way for this to be considered true is when it has exactly one true value. So that means if they both have true values, that cannot be considered exclusive OR, so that would have to be considered false. Same thing with these right here, the two zeros. None of them have a true value, so that's considered false. Now for the second slot, I have exactly one true value for this one, but B is considered false. That is exclusive OR, so that is considered true. Same thing here. Since I have a false for A, but I do have a true value for this one, that is considered exclusive OR, and I have a true value for this one. And that's pretty much it for my truth table. It's pretty easy.